Hello trader, are you finding it difficult in understanding market structure, or are you finding it confusing carrying out your analysis using market structure? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can read and understand market structure the correct way. So stick with me to the end of this video, and by the end of this video, I definitely assure you that you'll be able to mark out market structures and totally understand them well. Before we dive into the teachings of today's video, I'd like to bring to your attention that there is currently an ongoing rewards program at CoinLenity where you can gain massive rewards and even get bonuses at CoinLenity. You can get trading bonuses, trading vouchers, and even cash rewards. So in order for you to participate in the CoinLenity rewards program, all you need to do is simply use the link in the description below, head on to the CoinLenity homepage, go to the rewards section, make sure you watch the educative video that have been embedded there, and then get this CoinLenity rewards token. It is quite simple. Once you get the token, you get your CoinLenity badges, and then you redeem your CoinLenity badges for your gift. So the more videos you watch, the more CoinLenity tokens you are going to claim, and then the higher your reward badge. And the higher your reward badge, the better the gift or bonuses you are going to get. Now, right here, we have a chart of the United States dollar paired with the Japanese yen, and this is the daily time frame. Now, typically, what we know or what we are being taught in basic market structure way is that the market in a bearish trend moves like this. This is what the market moves like, all right? And in a bullish trend, the market moves like this. This is quite true, but then there is a twist to it. Alright, this is just a graphical representation of how the market structure should look, but we all know that this is not how market structure looks like. Now, there are two ways, or there are two things I'm going to talk about in this video that will help you understand how you can accurately and correctly mark out your market structure and use them in trading. First is you need to know your key levels or your higher time frame PD arrays. Next is you need to debunk the idea that market structure is going to form like this. All right, so a typical, more realistic market structure is going to be formed in this manner. If it is a bearish trend, it is going to make lower lows and lower highs, and at some point it is going to come above a high, take out some liquidity or inducement, create an inducement there, and continue going lower. All right, so this is what your market structure should look like typically. All right, but how do you know if this right here is a shift of market structure or if this is a break of market structure? That is what your higher time frame PDRA levels or key levels are going to do for you. Now I'm going to use this chart over here as a typical example so that you see how you can accurately understand market structure and not be tricked into thinking that you have a shift in market structure, whereas that is just an inducement or a liquidity grab for price to continue going in the intended direction. So first and foremost, I'm going to clear out all the drawings here and I'm going to zoom into the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, we have what we call a fair value gap here. Now, if you do not know what a fair value gap is, then I suggest you rush now, go onto our homepage by using the link in the description below, head on to the course section and get the Forex trading course for beginners. In that course, we have talked about all the PDRAs that you need to know and understand and how you can use them accurately. So head on to the homepage by using the link in the description below and you'll be able to purchase that course. All right, so we have a PDRA over here, which is a weekly time frame, which is a key level, and we also have a weekly low over here. All right, now if we know that this is our draw on liquidity, all right, if we know that this was a draw on liquidity or this was where price was going to draw to, are we going to be confused by a movement on the 4-hour time frame like this, something like this going above this high and dropping low? We are not going to be confused, right? Because we know that this is our target over here. Now most of you will be saying, how do you know this is your target, or how do we know if price is going to run for this sell side liquidity or that weekly fair value gap? And that is where the market structure tips you, and your understanding of institutional order flow is also important. Now, what is institutional order flow? Institutional order flow is actually you tracking the highs and lows of the market. You need to know or see where price is taking out liquidity and where price is depositing that liquidity to. So in this example right here, if I should go into the 2-hour time frame, over here, we should be able to track the institutional order flow of this particular asset. Now, once you see price, all right, trading above a high but not closing above that high, then that should tip you off that price is not actually bullish. So you need to wait for price to see if it is expanding above the high. If it's not expanding above the high and it later goes down to expand below a low, that is your first insight that price is actually bearish. Now you can use any PD array like your order block, your breaker block, your fair value gap to get in sync with the market, and that is how you know that price is moving into a higher time frame key level, or a daily key level, weekly key level, or a monthly key level. Now for you to accurately do this, you need to be pairing the 2-hour institutional order flow tracking with the weekly time frame or the daily time frame. You need to pair the 4-hour institutional order flow with the monthly time frame. Now if you pair that, what it's going to do, it is going to tell you how price is moving and what key level price is actually going to be drawing to. If you go to the daily time frame, we can actually see that we have fair value gaps here and order blocks here. But before price reaches here, we can be able to track our institutional order flow from this point, and then we'll know where price is running to and continue trading in that direction until price reaches that level. Alright, so understanding market structure is important, but then knowing how to track them is the most important thing. And how do you know how to track market structure? Is by understanding institutional order flow. How do you understand institutional order flow? By tracking your highs and your lows. If price does not break and close above a high, then it is probably bearish. Alright, if price does not break and close below a low, then it is probably bullish. But you want to see enough of evidence from this so that you'll be able to be sure that price is bearish or bullish using your market structure. Alright, so typically we are not talking about the basic market structure we know. We are actually pairing market structure and institutional order flow, because that is the best way you can simply mark out your correct market structure. So if you're looking for market structure to just form like this, then probably you are not going to get what you are looking for, or you are just going to be confused. All right, so you open your mind to seeing this type of price action in market structure and understanding that this can actually be a liquidity sweep for price to go lower and not a change in market structure or a change in state of delivery. All right, so we can see multiple examples in different charts, and you can also see another one here. Failure to close and expand above an old high, it is probably bearish, and you can see how price is also closing below that low. All right, so understanding this would help you in market structure, identifying and marking out your market structure, and also trading in line with where the market is likely to draw to. Now, this is just a vague explanation. If you want to know more about these explanations, you can head on to our course section and take the advanced forex trading course. All right, so all you need to do is use the link in the description below. Head on to our homepage, head on to the website, and go to the course section, and you'll be able to get these courses. And also, before we go, there is a 5-day free forex training program ongoing at CoinLearning, where you can also learn other amazing stuff. And this is very important for you if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, and you are looking for ways to actually understand the financial market, the foreign exchange markets in particular, and you are looking for things that you need to know. All right, this 5-day free forex training program has been made specifically for you. All you need to do is use the link in the description below to be able to sign up for this course. Trust me, it is going to worth every day, every minute, every hour of your time, because there is a lot of insight that have been packaged for this 5 free forex training program for you. All right, so hurry now, use the link in the description below, sign up and save yourself a spot. And so guys, this brings me to the end of the video. Remember to follow us on our social media handles on Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. And do not forget to hit that like button, and if you're a first-time subscriber, do well to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss out on the next time we are going to be dropping another insightful and educative video. Now, until I come your way again next time, always do well to trade well and trade safe.
Learn and earn with CoinLearnity. Ready to boost your knowledge and get rewarded? With CoinLearnity, every minute you spend learning turns into real rewards. Here's how it works. 1. Sign up or log in to your account. 2. Head over to the Rewards tab in your personal learning area. 3. Watch our free video tutorials and earn CoinLearnity tokens for every minute you spend learning. The more you watch, the more tokens you collect, and those tokens can be redeemed for amazing rewards like gift vouchers, trading bonuses, cash rewards, and more. Don't miss out. Start your learning journey with CoinLearnity today and make every lesson count.